What do you have for Shyla, Devin?
A treat.
You gonna give it to her?
Yeah.
Say leave it and put it on the ground.
Take it.
Good job, Devin. Say good girl, Shyla.
Right there. I found it. There you go.
What do you see?
Pink flowers.
Pink flowers? Those are roses. Try not to touch them. They're going to be prickly. Come say hi to me. Can you wave? Shyla, was it a good treat?